look at the egg now. It's squashed and bright and orange and bouncy. Well, and look at this. Wow! It is bouncy. Yoo-hoo! Right? So if you want to see more videos, then click the subscribe button and hit those notification bells. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make a bouncy ball from an egg. So all you need is an egg first, and then some vinegar and a cup. Okay, so here's what you need to do to make this bouncy ball. So you have to grab an egg, and then put it in the cup slowly and gently, and then put some vinegar in it. I think that's enough for vinegar, Mama. Then I got a surprise. Boom! Boom! Here it is. So I want to make my bouncy ball orange. So I'll put some red food coloring in it and some yellow food coloring in it, because red plus yellow equals orange. Okay, so first we're gonna do red, and then yellow. Let's see if it becomes orange. Hopefully this won't work, but it's gotta work. It's not even making orange yet. So you have to wait for 24 hours. I'll see you after 24 hours, guys. Hello guys, welcome back. So it has been 24 hours. So let's see what happened to the egg. But before we start, I got some clean water, and I got a plate that we're gonna see if it bounces on, to see if it's a bouncy egg or not. I mean bouncy ball. Also, if you haven't left a like on to the video and subscribe with notifications on, and I prefer to pause the video and then do that. Okay, so look at the egg now. It's squashed and bright and orange and bouncy. Well, and look at this. Wow! It is bouncy. Yoo-hoo! Right? So if you want to see more videos, then click the subscribe button and hit those notification bells. Bye bye. No, hold up, stop. Okay, now